Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have an Amazon review to do. It is courtesy of Nemocky. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Where you get one of these reusable hot and cold gel pack with eye mask. Really cool stuff here. I did the unboxing part a day ago. Check that out. Now this is going to be the full review test. You can put this in the freezer or in the microwave. You want to put this side up to your eyeballs. I'll show you how it's done in a minute. And then this nice little box it comes with. Got a nice little tote. Easy to take with you on the road, on airplane. In case you get hurt, you get some, I call them Bill Clinton eyes. Those saggy around the eyes. You could put that in the microwave or in the freezer for, it says like 20 minutes, I believe. Minimum of 30 minutes. Oh, and place mask in the refrigerator. Hold on one sec. Okay, I was right. It is the freezer. Up to 20 minutes you could put it. This would be great for the eyes, headaches. And then also this, you get this little pouch. Really cool. And got the gels inside here. You can heat that up for any muscle sprains, sore back. Put this in the freezer also. We're going to go to the freezer and test it out. Let's go. Alrighty, we are in the kitchen. We're going to put this eye patch. This is how you put it on your face. Goes like that. If you want it unfrozen, if you don't want to use it, just block out the sun and the saggy eyes. So we're going to stick this here for about 20 minutes. There's my little freezer. I need to get a new freezer. And this one, up to 20 seconds in the microwave. Because some microwaves are higher voltage. If you get my drift. 20 seconds. Still think that might be too much. But shit should be alright. Oh boy. Wait, a little bit clicker. See, still heated up really good. Like I said, kind of nervous about that, but it's alright. In case you get any injuries, you can put this on your hand, your wrist, ankles, your knees, lower back, your neck. Hold on one second, let me check on the freezer, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, we are back. Nice and jealous code. 20, see, got a little frost there. Do not put this on your eyes. Just in case of leakage, you know what I'm saying? If you poke it by mistake and it leaks, you don't want that stuff in your eyeballs, your eye sockets. So, make sure, awesome company shows right there. Nemocky. And you put this over your eyeballs. Total darkness. Awesome stuff. I'm going to try it chilled. I didn't try it chilled last night. I just sucked with it. Oh, yeah. Maybe it clears up your sinuses, too. Maybe. With the coldness, that feels good. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really good company. And my discount code is... Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that. My discount code is 40M Stout. And yeah, it's 40% off. And then that's good until the 28th of this month, I do believe. So, please make sure your new video explains the product better shows. Yep, promotion is valid until 9/28. Cool. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really great company on Amazon. Get help you out relaxing on these stressful days coming ahead with the holiday season. This will be a great gift for anybody, any eye. And really cool stuff. Like I said, microwave. This, you can microwave that, the iPod or the eye patch, and then freeze those, and start feeling good. So there you go, YouTubers. Check them out. And And that's about it today. Be safe and see you soon.